Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year! It's 2024 up in this piece. Y'all, Happy New Year. I wish you guys blessings. I wish you peace, serenity, and whatever you have been praying for, I wish success upon you. Everybody who is watching this video. But I wanted to come in and show you guys. I was just saying, you guys, and if you watch my previous video, I was saying that I was going to get 10 garden beds. Add 10 garden beds to my yard. My slogan for 2024 is growing big and growing more in 2024. And if I tell y'all, ask and it'll be given to you. I was cleaning up my garden, trying to figure out where I'm gonna get the startings for my 10 beds, my other 8 beds I should say, because 2 of them are pretty much done. Y'all, I'll turn y'all around so y'all can see. Look, check it out. So it just so happened yesterday my neighbor was cutting their tree down, and I already started on that one. Y'all saw my video where I put the guinea pig shavings and their poop in there, and I already had the leaves, so I mixed that up, watered it in. So this will be the 3rd one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those leaves are the leaves that I raked up that was in my garden already. So, and of course I'm gonna spray these out. I'm gonna spread them out. I just had the guys to put them on the ground just like that. But y'all, 10 garden beds in the making. Yes, y'all. Growing bigger and growing more in 2024. Starting the new year off with a bang in this garden. What you say? So y'all, I am too excited to start these off. I'm gonna break these 2 down because they're pretty high, but that's gonna be the next thing that I do. Space them out because they're too close together. I want to be able to walk throughout the garden. And yes, y'all, that's my exciting news for 2024. I'm so excited. Who would have thought that at age 24 I would be excited about gardening? Well, here I am to tell you, I am. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned. I just came over here to brag on my collard greens. I want some collard greens, some mustard greens, and some collard greens. Yes, and yes. All right, let me stop. Thank y'all for watching. Share me with your family and your friends. Hit up my social media. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your plans for your gardening season is this year. And if you don't have a garden, what plans do you have for the year? This is my plan right here that is coming to pass. Right here. Growing big and growing more in 2024. All right, y'all. I'm SalonDivaV in the place to be. Yeah. And I wish you guys a very happy, safe New Year. Peace.